Richard Brown Flips. Curious King. I'm blind, I'm blind, I'm blind. I'm blind by love, but I'll be fine, my love. My kindness.
I'm tired, man. I'm tired. If I broke foot, that foot when I broke tired, come I feel like I hit broke.
Somebody find my love. I'm blind by love.
Be have sparse my phone for me.
You want the phone for you?
Remember, say me have to call on a station for me can make a report so they can find out who do me this.
Speaking about report, you know, so when I come from doctor, I think about the insurance lady. I say your hand broke and your foot broke, you know.
But what you mean by that?
Just tell him, I say work on construction, so you can tell him, say drop off a ladder and get some money and more money. Because your hand broke and your foot broke.
What you mean we can get some money?
Just tell him, say drop off a ladder. Remember say, no? Tell her, say, construction work you do. So, if you tell him, say drop off a ladder, if he can get the money and a hand and a foot, some more money.
Babes, me not really think so that's safe to do, you know.
Once I call your boss and tell your boss, say, tell him say you drop off a ladder. We work out good. Baby, remember saying no man, we want money, you know. We want money. And you want baby. So we want money. And we not go work. So how me you get money? Remember say me no work, you know. And me can't go work now because me have to take care of you.
Alright, babes. Alright. Just call the insurance lady. Call her. No, you call her and tell her what.
Hello? Miss Candy? Good afternoon. A Crystal. Benji woman. You know, so do me call you to tell us to do my boyfriend and drop off a letter up a site and we wonder if you couldn't come feel insurance money now because I say we pay. Yeah, in their work and he drop off a letter and foot broke. Oh, so you've gone go. You talk to your boss first. Okay. Oh, alright. So we can go to tomorrow, man, and then after that we can continue the processing. Alright. Thanks. Baby, she said she have gone go to your workplace first though.
Alright.
To go see if I really drop off a ladder.
Alright. Me have to call my boss and tell him. Me call him. Me phone.
Convince him.
Yo, Fire. Yeah, man, a Benji. Yeah, man, me a call link you right now. Me know. Yeah, man, me know say from when you know see me. Me a call link you right now. Me a call link you. Alright, you got me have something I want to talk to you about, see? Alright then, alright. No, you. Me not two can move. You call link me. Me there me here. Just come give me a one link, see? Alright, cool.
I'm gonna know you wouldn't reach. I'm not care, you know.
Alright, babe. So Fire say my calling me.
Come in. Babes, your friend here.
Daddy, I'm to your foot, man.
Boy, you know, say I sound youth ambush me brother and broke me and I broke my foot.
To say word no normal in a boy. You call me say go and check it right now, so I come get it. I tell you no, sir, them a thing you call me say you boy you mash up or them thing there.
Yeah man, mash up my right. And not only that too. My mom's in a whole like one reason. And she when I said to me say boy she think the best thing to do, I don't report it to the police because if we report it to the police, we don't have nothing to get. The best thing to do, I have to call insurance because we have to pay insurance, you know. So the reason I really call her still if she come down to your place, you just tell her, say yo, I drop off I let her and broke my foot, you see me?
I know really tell lies still, you know. But different circumstances still. So if that are the case still, because I know juggling going on. Because I know how the country said. Them a police here, you know. They not go find out the key, you know. Because them only find people who they want to find still. You know what I mean? Just like when local boy say, somebody prime minister, you can't lock up your woman and you curfew or whatever, and then find him by 2 minutes time. But for your case now go solve. Because you're not important. So if that's the case, then now we have to look out for you still. Or yourself, man. Anything in the way, have to tell them. Where want me tell them directly?
Just tell her, say, boy, when they at work, I'm a climb on the ladder, I'm a drop off, and my foot and my hand broke. You see me? Because we have to make sure so we secure a little insurance money. Because me now can't work, and moms have to get take care. You see me?
Yeah, man. That's simple mathematics, man. We part the ladder there, you know. Right, on the house catch, you know. So from them forward, me I say, yo, you see right, the part the ladder there, has some steel go up on the house stuff for, and I come down. Because we have some steel there, because show the, anybody come and show them if it's the steel, and say if they think I lie, yeah, me I tell, go climb on it and say if they drop and broke for them raws too. But anyway, but you know how you know the thing go. A simple maths, man. You understand? But boy, moms that take care of you though, because I see my blood head from me come in.
Boy, me I tell her say she treat me good, brother. Me couldn't expect better. I swear. Hand her foot broke and she take good care of me.
Yeah, man, you see, so many times people show up them color when at time they show up them color still. So.
Yeah, man, boy, me I tell her she good to me, brother. I swear.
Babes, you look about something here.
Yeah, man.
You
Look.
cook your favorite.
Yeah, man. Look about something for me. Thank you, baby.
We soon run off back or go look about for my woman.
Yeah, man. So how feel, lady?
She there yard, man. Me have somebody I take care of because she soon want fit me, you know. So somebody there go and look around and I help her, you know, and she say alright and thing. You see it? So me just go and hold it up. But differently, I'm sorry, say foot broke because we have enough work to do and I get some new contract and I have to put on some of them said because we have enough things to do now. You see it?
Yeah, man. You know, so she take care of me, yeah, man. She cook for me, man.
So which food have your favorite food? What?
You know, say stew peas and chicken.
Boy, me rough though. Me cook stew peas give my blind woman still, you know, but I not trust people with stew peas, you know. Because I know say I not tie nobody for myself, you know. But stew peas, that thing we play tie people, you know. And my granny used to say, if you hear something and you know go so, it nearly go so. So if a 2 peas in my gear you want to eat it, but you say you love her still, so if you're tired or nothing. Anyway, I go back, I go to finish up some work. Because I have to go and go cook for my woman. I mean, I put no 2 peas tonight, though. I don't know what 2 peas are going to make it still. You just don't touch it to me, though. You may say, though. Yo, just eat some food and just get yourself strong up, man. You see, as soon as you get no strength for your foot, you can come out, you just take a time and go and move something till you get up 100. Is it?
Alright, yeah, man. That's our word.
That's our word, man.
Hello?
Where's your going now, daughter?
Okay, good. I'm here to investigate about your assistants.
See that day? All of them are climb pan. I send him some steel up on top of the roof and inside a fight and jump. And the king and broken foot and everything, you know. We go to the doctor and come back. I don't see him for come back yet still, is it?
What are you saying? You have any broken bones or
Yeah,
whatever?
man, he's supposed to broken and broke foot, man. He go to the doctor. You go check him, man. You must have his number. Check him my yard, man. Or anything. Yeah, man.
Baby, you alright?
Yeah, man. I'm good.
Where's something?
Yeah, man. I'm good.
Who is it? Baby, no expect nobody.
Hello? Is the same lady from Jamaican Insurance Company. Can I come in?
Baby, I jam you with a jam. Come in, come in, come in. Right time, Lord God. Come in.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you? Can I have a seat?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you. Hello, Mr. Camber. How are you doing today?
I'll go under Miss Candy.
I'm okay. You know, I'm here about your injury. I can see that it is very serious. I went up by the site and I do some investigation about your injury. So, Mr. Campbell, can I touch your foot to test it to see if it's okay or whatever?
Yeah, man. You can look funny, man.
You have to take food.
Alright then. I have to test it to see how serious this injury is. Come on, Mr. Campbell. Shut up. Why are you crying like that? Are you a child?
How could I cause this, man?
I am so sorry about it. I am so sorry. Is it hurt? I'm sorry, I didn't know that it would be so serious. It's protocol for me to check his foot.
So
To see if it's broken. For real.
one way if for bro make him ask me give you look doctor report me so make have the beat up my man so we have doctor report we got a doctor.
Let me look at it. Is it this?
Yes, miss.
So why didn't you say so from before?
I never know say I saw them in Portugal I come down for the beat up people.
No, we have to check. We have to check. It's normal. So why didn't you tell me before?
I never know say they check and do lick up foot.
Next time, something like this, it is very serious. Make sure you give whosoever come to you guys the medical first.
Okay.
You understand?
Mm.
Okay.
Babes, and ask how much money we get.
How much money we I get?
Based upon your injury, it is very serious, broken bones. We could give you up to $1.5 million.
Alright. Alright.
Okay?
You get money.
Baby, we're not gonna work yet. You know, say I wait me with pan somebody, come tell us when we do some, I'll get somebody for stay with your car, you come close to having giving birth now. And so it's the person who come and let me wait pan still. That's why I'm not gonna work yet.
Okay.
There's no step anywhere now.
Yes.
Say alright though.
Yes.
So how the baby for morning?
Alright, you know, feed him.
Remember, my kick now?
Yeah. Feed him.
I feel my move up and down, man.
Yes.
Active.
So about what time them I come?
I did me with pan now.
How much person I come? One person or two?
One person, man.
Okay.
One person. So she then can help you with anything you want. I don't want you up and down too much.
Okay.
I just want you to just relax. Because like the doctor say,
Yeah.
just elevate the leg look a bit and just calm down.
Yeah, man, alright. Somebody I call babe.
I'm here or something.
I'm a still lady.
Wait, why you call me one time and walk again? Call me one time.
Yeah, if you call me.
Call till me come, girl.
You ready now?
Babe, me or somebody I call.
Hello?
Go and check the door and see if someone outside.
Come inside. So, Mr. Babes, is the girl where you come to come help you? She's here now.
Oh, she's here.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yes, she's in front of you.
Hi, nice to meet you. What is your name?
I'm Natasha.
Oh, my name is Olivia. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
You have a beautiful name.
Thank you.
The job I'm going to give you now is very important, right? I'm going to pay you on a weekly basis. I'm going to pay you above minimum wages. So your job is going to entail, you can see that my woman, she's pregnant and she's blind, so she cannot see. So I want you to be her foot and her eyes and everything. And she want to bring it to her because she not be up and down too much. You know what I mean? So anything you can cook?
Yes.
What can you cook?
Anything.
Not put too much salt or too much anything. Nothing, just normal cooking. Make sure you get her lunch. Make sure you get her whatever she want, just give it to her. You know what I mean? And you have my number. If in the case of anything, if she feel like she feels sick or anything, you call me. And you understand? I'll take it from there.
Yeah, no problem.
So you think you can manage the job?
Yeah, man. Good.
Alright, so, babes,
Yeah.
the female, me tell her to go come for help today.
Yes.
She's here now.
Yes.
Yes.
What's her name?
My name.
Natasha.
Oh, nice to meet you, Natasha.
Same to you.
My name is Olivia.
Okay.
Alright, so I've got to work now. You can see where the things are. The kitchen is down that side and the bathroom is that side. So she knows around the place. You can tell her what you want and whatever. You know what I mean? But just don't make sure you do too much things. Okay? So I'm leaving now.
Okay.
Alright, baby?
Alright.
Alright, love you.
Love you too. Later.
Alright.
Natasha,
Yes, ma'am.
come here for a second, please. Can you take me some water?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Natasha,
Yes, ma'am.
come here for a second, please. Natasha,
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know why you can give me so much water. I don't want so much water, man.
What are you not drink no time, ma'am?
No man, just bring him back and bring me one of the cheese chip, please. Oh, thank you.
You want me to put it here, Mom?
Yeah, sure. Open it for me, please. Thank you. Then I write here so like this. Natasha.
Yes, Ma.
Natasha.
Yes, Mom.
You can bring the juice for me, please. One of the juice, please. Cause the cheese chip is kind of funny.
Sit here, Mom.
You can open this one for me, please. Thank you. I don't want to hurt my baby's stomach anymore.
Here you go.
Thank you. Oh God. Nobody want this cheese chip to eat. Natasha.
Ma.
Natasha.
Yes.
Me have one biscuit inside. Bring it come for me, please.
Listen, Mom. Me are not slave. Me tired for you walk up and down. If you want to something them, just tell me one time now. Not even get to sit down. As me reach in there so you call me back out here.
Natasha, do you remember that you're working?
But that not say me can't get one little rest, not one little sit down.
But you're not supposed to behave like this. You're working, you're on a job, you're getting overpaid. I'm sure my husband talked to you about that.
Me tired, man. Not even one little sit down gonna now make me sit down. One little rest, not even bathroom me can't get figure.
I am pregnant, remember that.
But not even one little bathroom pass, nothing.
Natasha.
You know you call me for.
Natasha. 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 Then I eat like a chips beside of me. Natasha. You know, so me hear the chips, you know. I want to eat the chips beside of me. Natasha. The place goes silent. Natasha. Lord have mercy. Look how my boyfriend hire this lady to come help me. And the lady, me I call the lady, she not answer. The only thing I beg her for is just bring one and two things come give me cause me hungry. And me shouldn't fi understand me pregnant, worse me blind. Yeah.
You know, Sammy?
I didn't know one could have touched me so.
Oh God, so you know me touch.
You gotta come home.
You know, so I work with them, I just 7 seconds and I come check her because she left with one new girl to them, I don't know what she deal with, so I come check. See if you're alright. You're alright though, she take care.
No, I'm not alright at all.
What you mean saying alright though?
Babe, so a morning me dey here and the lady named Natasha will leave to help me. She not give me nothing to eat, you know. A pure dry goods, me beg her for chips. She barely want to bring it come. Me beg her for a glass of water. She come dash it for me. Me beg her for a juice. She just come and she a complain and a tell me about everything me want. Me have to tell her one time. She can do one walk and come and she not have to walk up and down and all these things. Yeah.
But I'm saying want work. She don't want work.
She don't want no work. She have pure attitude.
Alright, so boy, I don't know, you know.
What you say
No,
about
because the girl saying come do the work and you go take care of it. I don't understand that. I pay me appear, you know. You go on. What part she there now?
You know how long me a call her and she not answer me, no know where she gone.
Alright. that can't work. Me go check her. Maybe I go fire her right now and get somebody else come. Because me have some work I try to finish off. But me know I fall like a girl down the road part. Would I do a better job? But actually she come first. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I go check if I see her and get back to you. Wait, you know, if I'm a man, if I'm going to different chips and something?
No, me not eat no food, only dry goods.
Alright. That's alright.
Yeah.
That's okay. That's all. How about this? This me pay for the first day, not the 1 second day. So this me pay for. So sleep all day. Woman not say not to look for no lunch here.
I truly never feel good. Me just go lay down. I not even did realize that me fall asleep.
Here what? Me get complaints say you not going good. Yeah, back and sour and bag of thing. But you must know. The first day, but you not no job no more. Me go get somebody
But
going
me
to
want the money.
Listen me. You want money, go down a bank, go check for money. This is a work. It's not a place where we have to do a job, then you get paid. So what me I say to you now, just pack up the things them and leave you know because somebody else a while ago, then go forward. I'm going to call somebody now to come and do the finish work. Me not left back, me not left until the next person come. So me just want you leave the premises right now. Right now. To get the things them. Because I can't believe I'm a baby out there saying no. And I say deal with the situation, you know look good man. No man. When the young people can't, I'm gonna get somebody hold up, because the young people not ready for work yet. Look, ranking, you make his teeth.
And she dancer?
Yeah, you make his off, you make his teeth. Because I can't believe that's that him go on with. Okay, I'm look at number them so. Yeah, Francine. Remember me tell somebody for work, you tell them about one girl down the road when she just come from wherever, up the line. But she want good girl, you know her, look cousin or whatever. Want her immediately, emergency right now, come back to work with the employer now and give her one double fee day, know herself. Right now, you know. So now for me right now. Enough respect. Yeah man, our next girl you want the job for me, you know?
Okay.
So we call so. Like somebody come on now. See somebody faster than the next one?
Yeah, somebody did it.
Yeah man. Hello. Are you the girl? Yeah, come in.
Yes, Miss Francine sent me up here.
Alright, so. I like we move fast and things. So you know, I have to go back to work.
Okay.
So, come and introduce you to my lovely baby mother.
Hello, my name is Blair.
Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Olivia.
Oh, that's a nice name.
Yes. I guess you're beautiful too as your name, right?
Yes, I am.
You have a beautiful voice as well.
Thank you.
My
I
pleasure.
like your hair.
Oh, thank you.
Alright, now, what me I say now, can you cook?
Yes, I can.
Alright, so some breadfruit and some sugar when I go on this. So, where you want baby different to eat with the cooked food?
I'll take anything. Just
Piece of liver in the fridge or something because them say she must eat them kidney or liver. Just chop up it fast, you know, really take it out of the freezer so you know really frozen.
All right,
so.
no problem.
Season up your hands, come and go back to work right now.
Yeah, man,
And
she's in good hands.
when I get back 5 o'clock, we talk about payment and arrangement, right?
Okay.
So baby, I have to go back, I have some work, I close off. So anything she want, just give it to her. If you want, maybe give her one insure and look at something to catch her up in the meantime
Yeah,
to the cook. Because the next girl couldn't cook.
Yeah, man, she's in good hands.
Alright, so it's nice meeting you again.
Same here.
Thanks for coming so early, you know,
Yeah,
so
man.
quick, yeah.
I
So-
mean, I do not now work. I give it. I have to come quick.
Baby,
yeah.
sorry I have to go. Me always don't want to leave you, but you know you work hard.
Okay.
Some baby, alright, you know.
Yeah.
Alright?
Later.
Alright, take care of me,
Yeah,
here.
man, no problem.
Alright.
Okay, so Miss Olivia,
Yeah.
can I get you anything to drink or to eat?
Sure. Can you take me a bottle of Ensure, please?
All right, no problem.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Leaving babes.
Hey, what's up?
Alright.
I'm okay.
Mm.
What? How was work?
Yeah, work was good, you know. So, so how the girl today? She did good?
Oh yeah, she did very well.
And she cooked good food?
Yeah, she did. She gave me a lot of food to eat.
Alright, so what she do now?
I think she's around the kitchen cleaning up back the dishes.
What's your name again?
Huh? Blair.
Miss Blair? Come here for a minute there.
Hello, good night.
Yeah. Just come off of the work and thing. My baby mother tell me say do a good job today, you know? Like you
Okay.
cook and like you do everything. So
Yeah, man.
you have a job. So tomorrow, same time, come in the morning, like 9 to 5. Because
9 to 5?
yeah, because me work till them time they may come home come relieve you. But I just want to know somebody there with her when I'm
Okay, yeah, man, no problem.
Yeah man.
Alright, thank you for hiring me.
Alright, so you
And
can
Miss Olivia?
you can leave
Yes.
Thank you very much. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow, bright and early.
Oh, thank you too.
now. Alright, so thanks for
Okay.
coming.
Yeah, man, okay.
Alright.
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 Alright, so be more fresh up and then pay some attention to you, right?
Okay.
Alright, so you're good though?
Yes, I'm fine.
Alright, soon come.
Okay.
You know, somebody a priest say, since my foot broke, we don't do nothing at all.
I don't understand what making a priest. You the priest if your foot broke. You know do no work. No one foot better. You gotta work a morning.
Yeah, but babe, remember say me need look sort out, you know.
Yes, we must have need a little money too, you know. And a long time I no work, so no money no come in your house. So when money come, fun will come. So no money, no fun.
Alright, babes. Remember say we are getting little insurance money, you know, so we could have even just go and look at thing till insurance money come.
You know come yet. When it come, we can do a little thing. No money, no fun. Go on in your bed.
So let's take a line out fire.
Yeah, we feel so boy.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man, you back with your foot though.
Yeah, man. Me the back on my foot now, man. See me take off the cast and I do look at therapy pan and everything good again. You see it? Yeah, man. Good I know, man. Good like never broke. You see me so? Just so me come give her one link. Me and mama all a reason and she has said to me say she thinks that me should just come back on the work and go and do some work until insurance money come through. Cause you don't know mama forget take care and things, you know, so I have to do it, I have to do it. You see it?
Yeah man, my there still, as I can see. Some more, my there, I tell some still. You know what I mean? But we still have a piece of wall to flash on, so you see it. So you could undo. The usual same way, not change. We have a look at work from more day. But him gone to the country, go and do something said we, you see it. So, the right time come back to you. You know what I mean? Not to get no time to go link because the work, them just come in. We have some different project to deal with, you know. Yeah man, so. Why you just change up a clothes, man? And start about some sun.
Hello? Yeah, man, me did I call you. Olivia take you in, you know.
What? Where she there now?
Taxi out the road. Me just go take up the bag where me did pack up for her. You gonna meet me? Alright, no problem. Meet me down there.
Thank you. I'm coming right now. Tell me that I'm on my way. Yo, second, you go on now. Me have to make a move right now. Oliver just take in. I know what I just boss. So you want now? Come back now.
Uchi, come here. Come here, mommy. How are you? How is my baby? You alright? Good girl. What are you wearing? What are you wearing? Oh, your slipper. Okay, take it off. You taking it off? And come stay with mommy. You take off the slipper and stay with mommy, alright? Yeah. Okay.
What go on? All right. Go and pick up. Go for a cup in the kitchen for me, please. Yeah.
Take your time, mommy.
Take your time, no rush. You alright?
Yeah, I'm okay. How are you?
You know that now that we've been together for quite some time now, and we have a lovely, beautiful daughter, about 3 to 4 going up now.
Yes.
And we've been going steady. But I think it's time for us to make the next step. So I just feel like the girl I must spend the rest of my life with, you know. So I'm gonna ask for your ring, your hand in marriage, you know.
Yes.
Yes, can make me happy and all these things. You know what I mean? So I like for us to get married.
Oh my God. Babe, you know that I promised myself that I will never get married until the day I can see. Because I don't see this, me not see the sense in getting married and me can't see. So when me can see, me will get married. Okay?
Yeah, me understand though. I understand. It's understandable what you say, you know.
Okay.
But I just really love you and just feel like we should make that step. But if you're not comfortable with that yet, as yet, let it be that way for now. But one day, I'm going to pray and see if that bring a miracle, because a miracle do happen. So I hope that happen then, so you can see, so we actually can get married. Because that's what I want to do, right?
Yes.
Alright, so. Baby! Where are you, Poochie? Come here, baby. Come. Oh, you didn't hurt your hand? Oh. Look for me, baby. You get big and strong. Up on the muscle them. You strong, baby? Muscle up. Yeah. You're strong girl, you know.
Hello?
Hello, yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Can I speak to Mr. Campbell, please?
Mr. Campbell speaking.
Okay, sir. I am calling from Jamaican Insurance Company.
Mm-hmm.
The check that we had here from the company, the insurance money, you understand what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, man, I'm hearing you.
It is ready, and you can come and collect it. But you have to collect it in cash.
Yeah, man.
When can you come and collect it, please?
All right, here what me dey work, you know. So me go send my girlfriend come collect you here.
Okay, I can't just give your girlfriend just like that. I would have to give you a code.
All right, hold on. Let me take a code on my
Do you
phone.
have a pen and a piece of paper, please?
No, but I can't take it on my phone.
Okay, cool.
All right, go ahead.
2329B.
Hang on, 2329D. All right then.
You had it?
Yeah, man.
2329B.
All right, thank you very much.
Do not give out that information.
All right, no problem. I'll call her right now and send her for you. All right, thank you very much.
Excuse me, please. Hang on a minute. She would have to bring an ID, so I'm sure that she's your girlfriend, okay?
Yeah, man, I'm going to bring her ID. Remember, see you meet her already too, you know, she did sign up the
No,
policy.
just reminding you that she has to bring it.
All right, ma'am. All right, thank you.
Okay, have a nice day.
All right, same to you. All right.
Yes.
All right, let me call you. Hello.
Hello?
Babes.
Yes, baby.
Yeah, man, you know, say insurance lady just called me, tell me, say check ready.
Alright.
Yeah, man, the check ready, man.
So you get money?
No, yeah, man, you get money, but guess what? Me don't want to leave work right now, so I want you go down there go collect your money for me.
Alright, we collect it for you.
Yeah, but here what happen? Me I'll give you one code. As a matter of fact, I'll text a code to your phone. I'll text one code to your phone, and me I go, I remember to bring your ID too, and collect it. When we come home from work, we can just do what we need to do the money, alright? Alright then, later. Love you.
Love you, baby.
Alright then, yeah. Yo, fire. You want to know something for a code?
You know, that's no fire. Right now, it's about you. People come from far and they want the place done. So definitely have to get this out already.
You may understand about that, but you are going. You want to know some insurance company just call me. I tell moms if you collect your money, so I just want to go start about that.
How moms go you worry about money? Money sure then if mom say mom collect it. Now your woman trust so much.
Yeah, man.
So if she collect, what she gonna do with it? Once you have a trade, you make 10 times that money. Say one day you can invest in one company for yourself.
Alright.
Push you up further. Look over the end.
See life.
Who be that? You.
Brad.
Come on. Me. Why you bring my cousin?
There, man.
You're going good, man. You're going good. You look work. Where you come for your share?
Come forget for go on good too.
Worry yourself, man. You'll sort you out.
You see how the man foot broke and hand broke. A $1 million you collecting us and about that ramp with family little cheese, you know.
So me can watch me money, so sir. I want me.
You think
I mean, I flee down with the man every night, you know. I like, you know. Oh, I mean, I know you.
you share for me, give me now.
Remember, say you, me, I take on myself, you know, you. Me have to deal with business, no more. Care more, but husband, you know, I look nice. Me a young girl, you what do you?
Yeah, relax yourself, man.
You relax yourself.
Just give me my money, make me go.
This managing. Yo, hold on for this now. Cause you do a good job. I have enough money for myself. Oh, yourself, man. Let me go and say, what little thing I'm calling little piece of man. Babes, want?
But then, where you get the money?
Yeah, no, so me get the money do.
What you mean say you're cut? Babes, me love you, man. What you mean say you left? You can't do that to me, babes. Babes, you can't do that to me, man. You have to do that. Babes, you can't do that, man. Me love, babes, you know say me love you already, man. You can't do that. You can't just take your money and cut. You have to do that.
Alright, later, have a nice life. No woman the boat. But hey! My money!
How I go on?
Yo, no, my man tell me say I take your whole insurance money and cut, brother.
Cut go away. I'm not about cut.
You man saying that me work this and that and she have cut.
I prank to you. You know what you see social media them? Them love too much social media. Prank to you. That's not real, man. Nobody else know where up nerves you. We say, go on, I bet you're going to get this thing done with the money.
My money, oh, my money. My
What go on, me Jenna?
Where they pan?
Listen me now, man. Money must chop now. You can't tell me no foolishness, you know.
Yo, what you worry about, man? Money there, man. What you worry about?
So run from peace now, man.
Brother, relax, man.
So what go on for your money?
Money there, man. What you worry about?
Me get mine now, man. That me I talk about the brick. No, man. No. Let me ask you a question. You think a burger mission me depend on? $3,000 really a give me big man after me do so much work for your youth.
Me and the government, me can't give you 10. 3 you can't get. Me I look just one little man and I me get the work, so that me can't give.
Alright then. Remember how you say it, you know. And you carry for the work. I know. Me no worry ahead, man. Everything good, man. Me not have you up, you know. Cause 3 grand still can't put on one day pot.
You're close to 10.
No worry ahead. Close to 10. You always so sick.
No way you come about, you know.
Yes, man, for real.
You sure say she love you as much as how you love her?
I love is not like something where you can't really explain. So I just feel say I love her enough to do that for her. Because she never, when she was born, she never see nothing yet in the world. So I just feel say she miss out something I don't want to give her the thing what she miss out. You know what I mean? She give me one daughter, said we. So she give me a daughter. You understand? And that's a good thing. So she risk her life for me. So I think say it just fair for me to put my life on the line just to see him, you know what I mean?
Your choice.
Yeah, my choice.
You sure say she love you as much as how you love her?
The thing say, you know, because she tell me that, you know, and she give me a child, so.
Remember your eyesight. How long you want it to go for?
Yeah, there's no time span. I know what me a pre, no. You understand?
Alright.
So, me just do something just that me want to do right
So when
now.
you go to bed 7 o'clock tonight, when you wake up in the morning, you're going to wake up blind. And she's going to wake up seeing.
Babes. Babes. Babes.
Alright.
Wake up, you come like me can't see. Me I see. Babes. Wake up now. And what happened? Me I see. Jesus Christ. No, sir. Babes, wake up. Jesus Christ, and somebody look pretty and look good. No, sir. Look at me pretty. Babes, wake up and look at me there, please.
I am awake now, but I cannot look at you.
What happened?
Because what I did, I give you my side just to prove my love. You know what I mean? That's how I give you my side so you can see the world. So I make an arrangement for you to see the world so you can marry me. So we can live a good life. You know what I mean?
Oh, God.
So I hope you understand that my love for you is unconditional. That's why I give you my side. So I hope you appreciate it, you know what I mean?
That's something very nice. No, sir.
I try to tell you all the while, but you don't listen to me.
Me pretty man.
You're very pretty.
Me have bump on all these things.
Yeah.
No, sir. Want me to waste time.
But wait till you go in the shower and look at the things them that you got, you'll see more.
Oh my God.
Brian, you know what I cannot answer me, you know. You know, look here. You remember say last time I do your foot, you not pay me? And you have the heart come and cock up foot for me? $5 for this.
What you worry about?
You know, get no foot service until you pay me, you know. $5 me want for that work, yeah.
Yo, I don't have 5. 4 me have.
You mean you don't have 5?
I don't have 5, man. That's who get a piece of money, man. Yeah, be yourself for.
My youth are show you, you know.
Watch out, man. Stop stress yourself about money, man. When money come, you get money. Is it me?
Come, I see you none at
Yo,
all. Pay me up, pay me. Give me $4.
How much that?
3 this a man. Give me. One tear, my youth.
The money
Follow
there.
your foot. Where you are? How come to that brother, man?
Yo, you don't see money, there, sir?
Me not see no money. Could I what this?
Thank you for tuning into Jamiho TV. I am Tracy and Blair, and this is your news and reviews. The tourism industry is booming as hotels are beginning to opening their doors in spite of the COVID-19 outbreak. It is alleged that a young lady by the name of Kimberly White is now in police custody for severely assaulting a relative. She assaulted the gentleman with a deadly weapon while giving him multiple lashes with a piece of iron. The police was subsequently called and Kim was apprehended and charged by the Negro police officers. The gentleman whose name is Brian is now at the Kingston Public Hospital in critical condition.
You want cake for your birthday?
Yeah.
And you want ice cream?
Yeah.
Good girl. Mommy gonna get you, alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like the sound of a happy family. You know, it's a sad story I can't see at the same time. But I like the sound, you know. It brings joys to my heart, you know. Yeah, putting into that now, baby. You see my favorite chat having a room there. You will see me and put it one side up on the bed there, so. The last time. Over the mirrors, put it right side there, so.
You want it?
Yeah, carry come there.
Alright. May I come?
Yeah, baby.
May I sit here?
Yeah. Yes. How is the site working, baby?
It's working good. Since I can see everything and how me pretty, how my baby looks pretty. I love it. Thank you.
Good to know, you know.
I'm so sorry you can't see.
But I've seen you for a long time, so I have you in my mind. I know how you look, I know how the world look, you know what I mean? Now that we reach to the point, because you say you want water from the mountain, I went for it for you. Now you say you want sight, and I trade my vision for you, so I just want to do me the honor, you know, of being my wife, you know what I mean? These are the rings that we're going to use. So you would have to set up all the, I set most of the arrangement already, with the catering company, everything is already paid for. So you would have to, you know, you'd have to just say I do. What you say about that, babe? We can't get more than thing, you know, right, ready?
Yes, babes. Me soon come. Me go in the kitchen and come back. Me soon come, so me soon answer you about it, alright? Stay right here.
I'll be here waiting, baby. Love you.
Love you too.
Alright, my girl.
Babes. Babe.
Yeah.
Honestly, I don't think this is gonna work. Because me not think me can manage for me to go out. You blind and me can't see. Me not think me can manage. If we go to a restaurant, me cannot manage for the feed you. Me not gonna tell you no lie. Me can't manage them something there. So I don't know how people do them something here. But me cannot live them a lifestyle, yeah.
I don't understand what you're saying to me.
What do you mean by not understand? Me cannot manage my lifestyle, babes. Me honestly because me cannot manage my lifestyle.
I did the same for you.
No, but it's different now for me in the real world. No, me can't see. Babes, me can't manage. Honestly, me can't manage. Me go leave.
Why are you doing this though?
Babes, me can't manage my something. Me can't. Leah, me baby. Take care for me, alright? Let me love you later, alright? Later, baby.
Where you go? Where are you going? Are you running joke with me? I give you my side. Where you going? Don't go.
Good evening. Thank you for tuning into Jammy Hood TV. I am Tracy and Blair, and I'm coming to you with our news and reviews. The news team had received information that a blind man gave his sight to a young lady in Negril, Westmoreland. The gentleman goes by the name of Glenn, otherwise known as Virus, who refused to comment on this when our news team visited the community yesterday. According to our Prime Minister, who in one of his press conferences yesterday stated that if we willingly accepted the COVID-19 vaccination, he would open the doors to churches and allow patrons to party in peace. In tonight's Question Your section, the question is, do you think that the given measures by the Prime Minister is necessary at this point?
I'm blind, I'm blind, I'm blind. I'm blind by love, but I'll be fine, my love. My kindness defines my love. Should I read between the lines? Can somebody find my love? I'm blind my love. Food
Alright, Mia. Alright? Collect the money for me. And we can't see. Take the money. And come on. Give me, put it in my hand, baby. You take no money out of it? You take no money?
So you say I go on fire?
Well, I'm there, you know. How that, Ben?
Yeah, man, a Benji, man, a Benji.
Yo, what go on, yo?
Me see say you look at that walk out door.
Yeah, man, me just come go buy one cash back number, said speed, is it?
Boy, you're brave fi have a little one on the road and yourself blind. Or walk on the road, boy, you're brave, do I swear.
But she can't see though, she can't see, so she have to pay attention. I teach her how the road go, you know?
Alright, but everything go differently though.
Man, everything good, man. The only thing I will look at that now, you see, me can't really see her, you know, she a rough it. Because when the mama run gone left her alone, I know your mama again from go give her my sight, you know what I mean? So, but me there I go and survive it still, you know? Because life are the greatest. Yeah, man, so here me I say no, differently though, you know, I don't want you to do for me Benji. I don't want you to find one like a young girl who can cook, wash and clean, you understand? Because I think never look money will come through here now. Because the man has signed up with insurance, you know. So through me lose my sight and now, me just make it look like it's an accident, you know what I mean? So they might pay me up some money for my sight, said because I always pay my insurance. So now I lose my sight. That way I policy. So I get a piece of money now, man. So I go have money to pay. So if me tell them how I want the money come in, trickle in, and what I want if deal it.
Yeah, man, as you talk about insurance money, you know, so if your baby mother went there, when you get this a piece of money, I know.
Yeah, man, that take everything, man. I don't know about the insurance, man. That take everything and gone with the man. You understand?
Alright. But you know, so me know one little girl where clean and know if you do things, me could go link her and get her for you, you know. To do work for you, you know.
Yeah, man, it'll be a good idea. That means, say, you know, everything can run through smooth, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man, me can do that. But me I do. Me just want to make you link and then me come me circle you back, see?
Yeah, but alright, this said bridging when you can go to the time, right? You know, so me have to go find back the bridging the door. More you make a check and see if in the same location. Jacqueline! Right now the baby out here ball, no, cause she hungry, you know. Can Paris come, man? I don't know how to come to work and not go on, so.
A porridge, you know me, I have to take my time.
Alright, that was fine. You take it definitely fast with the boat.
Here, baby. Stretch out your hand.
Where you say, baby? Don't they take so long with it?
You
Where you
want
say?
crackers?
Yeah, man, get some crackers for me and her. You want crackers, Leah? Yes. Alright. Alright, eat a food, baby.
The food special?
Mm-hmm. The pie taste good, baby?
Yeah.
Alright. I can't wait till you get big and can cook pie to me. You hear?
Yeah.
Nobody's not cooking that more than you. Jacqueline! Jacqueline!
Oh, you want again?
Bring us some water there. And the pie look a bit salt. Jacqueline, a young girl or old man?
Olama.
Old man?
Yeah.
Because she's miserable, boy. Miserable, not you?
Yeah, miserable.
Alright.
Oi,
What do you know?
you don't think about the paper?
By later, I sign the paper, then. No worry, son. What you worry about?
Cause the pitney need to get the paper signed because the teacher them say urgent. Urgent something.
Alright, you see me, Kian? You see some walking stick, you see it?
Me I go for and come back.
Yes, you know party there?
Here in the kitchen.
Go and fit your come.
May I come here, baby? May I cook?
You play, baby? Yeah. Are you play? Yeah. Alright, go and play. No get no trouble, you know.
Uncle Ryan. Leah. What happened? Alright. You sure? A long time I not see you. You good? So Uncle Ryan. You can go and call him for me, please?
Good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon. My Uncle Ryan will come to you here.
You're in there, but me have to know who you first before me let you in.
My Uncle Ryan is.
Let me go to him first.
Okay.
Kaya, one girl come to you.
Oh.
What your name?
My name is Sharika.
She said she named Sharika.
What's your name?
Sharika.
Oh, I'm a niece. Yo, send her in, man. Come on.
Uncle,
Alright?
yeah.
Well, there. You can't even see your face if you see your face and say word to you, but that's how you go with the year still.
Alright.
Yeah, man, I'm a good man. You just look a bit blind this time, being, but you know.
You know, some of the on my last semester.
Yeah, man, I'm good. Me, I say I go on good, my child. I'm proud of you, you know.
Yes, Uncle, I want to tell you some thankful for everything you do for me and help me out.
Don't say a word, niece. I'm here to help you. Cause plenty now up their head. You know, then go lay down in a bed and spread leg. You know, but you are a good child and if you're small, them say when you want to know what go become, you look at the chicken them foot. And you say, if I look down upon you look at foot, me know say you're full of ambition and you go with somewhere. So the journey don't stop yet. So what I want differently do? All the last semester you have money?
Uncle, I'm sorry, so every time I come to you, I beg me have to beg, but...
No, say so, man. You don't beg it's my responsibility to help out who I can help while I'm here. Right? And you have a family. You understand? So I'm supposed to can give a helping hand to you for me know so I'm not have it like that. You understand? It's just a little difficulty me fall into now where me lose my sight, but nevertheless, I'm as a person where I think about the future. So know yourself, man. Never you say that, man. You see, can you hold up your head? When the other family girl them when I if you hold up their head and when the boy them hold up their head them who no want to turn this a whole gun and would want to turn back out and have 20 picnic and you just hold your education and try to make yourself better. And I'm so proud of you. So know yourself, man. I got you. You understand?
Yes, uncle.
Yes, so right now I want may have a conversation but I don't want to talk right here so because and everything good for eat, good for talk. You understand? You're my favorite little niece. Because them say, when you want to know about the chicken, you look at him foot if you see if chicken go stride. And when me have my sight and back in the days, when me look at you look at foot them, me said this a girl here, go have. So me tell your mother, ask your mother, when you say there for your mother there, ask her when me say about you for your look up at me. Me have go talk, me don't want to talk yes. You understand? So me have go talk out on the veranda. Me catch you go fresh here.
Alright, uncle.
Alright, we'll go out there. Alright, go out talk. Yeah, what I try to say to you now, my niece, right now, when I lose my sight, me the insure, if some money go job, when I just send some money to your account and everything go good, alright? If me get my sight by that time, we go come at the graduation. You know what I mean? Because I want to see your girl when I achieve things. Yeah, man, so. Your mother alright though?
Yes, uncle.
Boy, she not to come look for me for one day. She come check me between time and she tell me the news say things are going for you up at school and they test them with your pass and tell me about things. You know what I mean? So I'm very proud of you. You know what I mean? So you see me have a look at daughter there, I have a look at helper there. I'm go and breathe easy and hope for the best. So no worry yourself, man. I'm still in it. You know out there now I'm now forget about you. Me am entrust you reach what you reach. Safe travel and go back up and don't worry yourself. What I want you to write down the information them and put them on paper, give them put them in my pocket. When we go to the people, them know me make them do the transaction for me because I don't trust people. My helper, me don't trust her.
So fun. I'm here to watch this a blind man do because he can't see me know I have money in the save up, you know. He can't buy one machine. What's this done?
Jacqueline!
Oi.
Are you up fire in the town and come smell bun, you know?
Yeah, me I look for something.
Go check him out, because it's a bun. It's on hot out the door. How you do out here? How are you? But wash your pants them too, here. Come back inside.
Alright, take time, mind your drop.
Party me come to party. It's curious. And the girl them a call me papi. In my
Our Japan, me. Our Japan, me girl.
I dust down in place.
So you mean if you tell me something strong and say no time to get up if you dust down in place, but I'm a sign so you want to kick up on me, girl?
And not how much. You're good where you're there, you not have to move.
So if food ain't done cook, come in and want to burn up sitting the way you cook running, because you burn up, you back over?
It done. Not more than you have to cook.
Alright. But what me I said do? Order some food for me and Leah then. Because right now, I not eat the burn up food, because I burn up thinking of the place, you know what I mean?
I tell one there.
What I say a while ago, I said order some food. You know what I mean? So order some food, never look at money. I can't give you, when somebody come, I give you money, you deal with it, is it?
Later, me I go share.
Carve some food for me and you eat that, sure thing. Don't give me that another, give me some of my food when you come here. You hear me say?
Me here.
I'm blind by love, but I'll be fine, my love. My kindness defines my love. Should I read between the lines? Can somebody find my love? I'm blind by love. Food that I'ma just can't eat. Lying on my bed, I'ma just can't sleep.
I sound like a Marisa. I'm Marie! Girl! What? Jesus Christ! I see you pretty. You can't see me? Yes, me I see. What me I do? You the clap with a fire with a wave. Jesus! Come on, Tyson. Come on, girl. Come on, I forgot to talk. Girl, I forgot to talk business. Tell me what the girl, because the last time I see you, you're blind. Look at your pretty color eyes about them pretty. Talk to me. What happened?
Thank you, baby. Girl, you know I'm my ex-man. The Rasta. Yeah.
So you left him?
Of course. I really left him, but I just put him on a little standby.
So what make you do that now?
Girl, I can't say that the man they made it there with. How him look, sir?
So how you get back the sight? Me don't know that me ask you.
The sight is not the least of my problem. That is the least of my problem. But me I say, how him look so? And that the man they made it there with, they couldn't tell me, I have a friend, I have a family.
Me not see nothing wrong with the man. You're too terrible.
Who that? It's Blair. Me not here.
It's Blair.
Oh! Come inside. Push the door, open the door and come. How long I'm not hear your voice?
And true. There, man, you good?
Yeah, I'm good. They are all it off.
You know, say already I'm flying.
Yeah.
Me I walk on the road and so on and my friend. And him a tell me say, your eyesight gone. What happened?
You know, say... Yo, it's my time I'm embarrassed to start the story. Because even the stars and the glean and all of the media, them, I check me to get the story, but may I tell you, but true, I can talk to you though. Because you know me, you see the situation. Olivia, the baby mother, over there, you know.
Yeah.
I love that woman so much. She come to me blind. And does she show how much I love her? I do the worst I ever did in my life. I give her my sight, you know what I mean? And think that me and her could live a happy life. Because she give me a child and I see the baby grow. And she says she never seen nothing from the day she born. To me I say, but just feel sad for her and say then. I will give you my side. So I just put on a little thing because help me balance two times. But I feel that she would have by my side. We could have instruct her what we do and we could have been a happy family. You know what I mean? And as I give her the side, yeah, she fly away like a kite and left me and the baby by herself, you know what I mean?
So why baby they know?
Oh, my sister. You know, she have fear to go pick them, so some time she just come fear, she go play with her cousin them and thing, you know what I mean? And then she carry her back. She left me with that sour taste in my mouth. I don't feel like I can love again.
No say that man.
So girl, what you say, you really left the man?
Guess girl, I'm single you know.
Who you go, you're single? Make you feel like you should have left a Rasta.
But not easy.
What you mean
You don't
not
see how
easy?
the Rasta look.
What do you mean?
You don't see how the Rasta look.
You really expect me to do with that the rest of the ever?
You see, you just get back to your starting.
No.
So you behave, jump out a frying pan,
Girl.
you jump in a fire.
No, my love. So hold on there. Over there, so the knocking there going on me the blind.
Yes, I'm here to tell you about the contractor over there.
Okay.
But chat about how you look good now, look a dainty thing and you're tight, so you show up a little body,
Girl, I know me want them to see me.
You know, so you not learn. You not learn.
No, my love.
Anyway,
I can't see right now.
Anyway, look out the road, the girl.
Where?
See the owner that come there.
Where?
Africa, I'm coming from an Isle Bass, that.
Hold on, good girl.
I'm only place up and him chain it and shine.
Where? Ada man there?
Yes, girl.
Wait, look how me look.
You look good, you look good. Blurs and skirt. What, boss?
Baby.
Walk along me there.
You look
Everything
good,
blessed.
man.
Thank you, man.
Yeah. Who this girl, eh?
Yo, you ask so much question about the sick woman, man. You turn fool so on the sick woman. Yeah, what's
Baby.
up? I'm a cousin anyway. I'm a good up cousin.
Ah, good day. Hey. Sit down, baby. Oh, baby. Man. Hey. Oh. Hey. So what's your name, eh?
My name is Olivia.
Leah! Jacqueline! 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 Oh, that Leah Jacqueline.
Jacqueline.
What there? You look for your cookie?
It time early.
What Leah there?
She asleep.
Why if you come every minute she asleep too? How?
So if she a eat and her belly a full, she no must sleep.
So how she a eat till her fear belly full and me there and my belly no full? What?
Child's food. Ya picnic?
Hello, nobody two face with me, you must have me a boss. You sound too strong. Look like you eat all life food too.
Me no want them the food they eat.
What do you eat differently? Because we get up and we feel hungry, you know.
You want a special cream? Nothing no there. Everything done.
We don't feel so special. I don't special cream. I want something like some afo yam and dumpling and cocoa and dashing and them something. You know what I mean? And that me da feel to eat and now. Something strong. Strong food, ground food. You know what I mean? Not like look fast food them and I might think that. So see if I can cook. What time I know anyway?
1:30.
Boy, you sound strong, man. Like you shout and you talk to me. Yo, not true upon me, so. Differently do. What if I can cook some food? Oh, differently from that. I'm not talking about the food now. Me a search in pocket and realize say, remember another little pants I'm there about yesterday. So look at that pants you gonna wash. You wash, right?
Yes.
Oh. When you wash the one of my pants, you know see 10,000 a night.
Me not see no 10,000, but me did see one little 2,000. Me put it down on the dresser in there.
Alright then, that sounds good. Take a 2 grand and go shop. Buy 2 tough crackers for me and buy 2 Lasco. So later can get when you get up because you love drink feel Lasco, you know. And you don't know about the lime. If you know lime pan road, then we are selling buy some lime to come that drink some lemonade and eat 2 crackers them till you don't cook. If you want, you can't buy no good things on the road that food kind. You know what I mean? And come up and cook. So I'm hungry still, you know.
Me go look on the dresser and me not see no money.
Me don't understand that though. And me and you and Leah alone there, so how that go, me don't understand.
Probably Leah take it up and go ramp with it because she da ramp with her dolly then.
Alright then, go look in her daddy's back pocket. Anyway, and see if you find it. You know.
I don't see it.
That sounds strange.
Strange for true.
Because what do you go down in town, you know, I'm gonna do my jar an extra 10 grand to say alright then. I'm putting in my pocket, you know. I'm gonna tell you say that I know this a pants and next pants. I said pants say wash, I said 2 grand, so I don't understand. So
Then you not have a card.
I'm a card, yes, but what that mean with the card? Me have a card here?
Give me go make the shopping For the house want things.
But I don't trust people with my card, you know. I will give my card now, I'm gonna see you back again. Because women have a tendency when they give them things, you know, see them again. Because I give my woman my eyesight, and from that time I don't see her again, you know. So I go give the card and run down with it.
Me no want to offer you for teeth.
Anyway, go get a shower and then send them in the town, because right now you don't smell too handsome. You know what I mean? So get yourself ready up and come and give the card and tell the pastor the pin. You take a pin number, you know. You know they take pin number.
Me a idiot. Me come for card.
Alright. Sit here. Alright, so alright, yeah man, but take time when you draw too much off, draw only $10,000 and buy some things with it, alright?
Eh?
You know, draw only 10,000 off my card, not draw more than that.
Alright.
And don't check the balance pan neither. Just draw where you draw and then the card come back. Alright?
The pin number.
Oh, okay, you couldn't draw $1 out of it. But anyway, still. Alright now. The pin number is 54508. Right? That's right.
54508.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yes,
My
sir.
gone.
Alright, later.
But wait. Are you there to take me for? A 4 number the pan one pin number.
I chubby, man. I see. Let me know say I want smart little girl, you know, but just test you. So you may say now. It's 2835. Right?
2835.
Alright.
I hope you're right.
Yeah, man, you're right, man. No worries, I'm going to play this for you first time to see if you have sense. But go on the road, man. Hurry up and come back, because I don't want to get up. I don't want to have something to eat by the time get up. So I have to buy last corners, you know, like some have to take time too. So she can eat fast as you get up. Alright.
Alright. Later.
Alright, later. Hold on.
A Benjamin!
What General? Come in our place, man. What talk about? What on?
Well, me tell you, the one link me come link to find out how the new bee are going, how she work.
But you know, so she a go on good so far. I don't complain. I don't see she a do nothing wrong, because I can't really see her still. But she a take care of my daughter, and she a come baby a complain, and she a sleep a lot, and she just asleep. When I hear she a come normally disturb me already so. But she gone pick up some groceries down in the town, you know, just give her a cat for just some money. Because some money when there, the money get mixed up, and we can't judge no one, because I don't see art no leap, you know what I mean? So it's a girl I can trust for ya.
Yeah, man, a good home she come from, man, a good girl, man.
Look, I trust people, because the last woman me say me love so much and give her my side, she gone left eye. You know what I mean? So, me not too trust people. Benji, you know me, you know? Me not too trust people.
Man, a real talk, man.
So.
Yeah, man, because boy, me I tell us a thing rough since I lose a sight. Me I tell us, brother, nothing on to go on. I tell me can't get to work.
Yeah, I know what you say, man. I don't lose life, though. You know, so, what me I say now? Remember, I tell you, say, if you try to locate the same virgin will do the exchange with Vision for love and things. So, but I want him reverse it back, because that sister enough you have it so. She can have my side run up and down, so I live glorious life when it should be with benefit of two of us. You know what I mean? So, we tell us make a link. What go on with it?
Go on, me say move, you know. Yeah, man, me say move. Where place up the past Red Gun go up, man, up Tankill top, they say move gone.
Oh, so what's up level? You know what you talk, man?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, because back in the days, that's where I get my first look young girl, you know, me I go to school, you know. Up that way. Before the road cut me, I tell about, you know, San Antonio, man, long time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, so it's a chat. We may have to make a move, go try to find him, because we can't live so. I can't take no longer, because I look the young sister in there in the place here, I tell her it's my time. When she come across, I kind of feel her energy. You know what I mean? Like her body warm. And I feel like I should have a look money and gear and see if I can look like warm this And I don't even know how the daughter look or anything. I never touch her with a long stick or a short stick. But anyway, I need to get on my side because I can't live so. You know what I mean? I need to see my daughter grow to same speed. You know what I mean?
True, man. That's true. I know what thing, man. But tomorrow, me make a link and then tomorrow me just come for you and we go there.
Oh, baby.
Yes?
We have been together so long, a good while, and I'd like to do the right thing.
Hello.
I want to know, Jacqueline.
Me have something for your sign ya so where the teacher then saying. Filia, the online schooling.
Oh, there's my sign something up on school online.
Yeah. See the something ya.
I can't see it, so I can't see it.
Come. You have to sign. Put your hand on it, you go on like you can't see.
Give me it still. But me have pre-do. Me have to go over it first.
Go by how you can see.
Me can't see, but just put it on the table also. Me can't read so good.
Yeah, read it to you.
No, read it to me. Put it on over there so, you see? On the table and one I did them. Because me no want she go back at school, look a bit yet, here. Me no want she go back at school, me I give her a look at time first. So put it over there so when I did them, me have time, me go sign it. Don't worry yourself about it, man. Make you say teeth and behave so strong. How that?
Benji.
Forward in. So what go on I?
You know, say I link me, so I can link you, we go make a chat.
Yeah, man, say find the virgin.
Yeah, man, I find him, man. Me just say that's why I can link you, say, we go make a chat.
Because I just asked the sister a while ago if you didn't know where. Because I plan to move here now, because it's about time now to get back my vision, you see? So I can go find the virgin. You ready?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Sister! What's your name again, John? Benji. You see the sister now about ya?
No, so I don't see her. Where you do?
I want to tell her if I go touch you, but when she not see me, she not say we gone.
Wait. How you go? I even did see when you go.
Yeah, man, I try to go do something. Yo, Benji!
Oh, where's your one?
Yo, tomorrow na I.
Alright, say a word.
No say a word, me general. I mean, and Benji make a move, man. Alright. So you know that? I go in the room, go all rest because I go up on a journey a while ago. I tell you, a journey far and the sun went well hot, you know what I mean? So I kind of burn out a little bit. It's 7 o'clock. More you set your time for 7 o'clock and fix up something for I. If you want a sandwich with a little cup of tea, you know what I mean? A little mint tea or a little fever girl, whichever you have around there. You know what I mean? Wake me up by 7 o'clock and I have that. You know what I mean? So I'm going in my bed, room go all asleep. How that?
Jacqueline.
I tell her not to wake me up when I'm sleeping, Jacqueline.
You tell me say wake you up 7 o'clock.
Oh, time fly fast. Sorry about that. You know, say, 7 o'clock come fast though. Let's see how go on now.
You ready to eat?
You look about something around there?
Yes.
Alright, can you come now?
Well, out there and see your food, yeah.
And where is the contract? There's something for Leah School. Yeah, I'm signed from when?
Ow. See it here too. Let me get one pen. Here. Or let me help you because I see you can't see.
No, actually, I can see I have perfect vision now.
What?
Yeah, man. You want me to sign a thing, sign about everything to you. And I will own nothing at all. Nothing will be here for Leah. Not only everything is for you, for you. Hello, if you know, you know. You live out of the place now, you know. Right now, cause I will text and mash you up in here. You hear me? I don't look woman, you know, but I feel like I would have broke you up, you know. So them a look nasty sitting here, you give man and I spit back in it. All these time my belly at me. I don't realize that you a try poison me and I try kill me off with the dirty germs itself. So how you feel lick off spoon and spit back in this girl?
Why babes make me happy, honestly. I like being around you, I like when they take care of me.
Yeah, I love you. So I will do anything to let you happy.
Hold on. You feel like me can't.
You lose the sight again?
Girl, you know, say me blind. Again.
Mrs. See you blind, can't lead him and lead you. I lead him, lead you, come here.
So where him there?
What you mean where him there?
Where him there?
The man gone, cause Olivia just not learn.
So where him fi gone?
What you mean if you gone, you wanna blind no man?
Hold on.
Hold on, pan what?
Call him for me there.
Call who? Yes, we cannot listen. When I did blind, the Rasta did want you. Now the man with the shiny chain gone about him business. You should stay with the Rasta. Rasta did love you for all when you're blind. But true, because you can't no shiny chain, catch your the man gone.
You know what you do for me? Me I want you to go look for the Rasta. And please talk to him for me and tell him say me sorry. Me sorry. I mean, sir, the look eyesight deceive me. Honestly, me sorry, man. I me love Rasta, you know.
Rasta.
What?
What?
There.
You get back inside?
Yeah, man, everything come back naturally, you know what I mean?
So I'm glad for you.
Yeah.
You all a chop jelly.
Yes. Get on my site and now I'm ready. I think I'm going to go up on the dating scene and I think I'm going to start dating again and try to live my life more different. Take things more slower. So are you single though? Don't let me know look a bit boy from that time till now. Are you single?
Yes, I am.
I think we go for dinner, you know?
Sounds good.
How does Friday sound?
What time Friday?
Friday 8 o'clock.
Yeah, man. Can make it.
Like, hope you watch it, leave in the comments, send it to a friend them, let them subscribe to. Thanks for subscribing. We're at 40,000 and plus. We're looking for 1 million. So it's a far journey, but everybody we're in who subscribe is part of the family. So you subscribe, you're part of that movement, moving forward. You know what I mean? Too much talk have done already. So we are the people that doing action. Plenty calls to talk sometime and we say we're busy because we're into action. So big up the people them who do the action, like people them who donate, you know what I mean, who click the notification button, who subscribe, who like, who share it. That means say you do verb, you action, you do something, you know, and the stock, you know, you make the movements go forward. Thanks to your support 100 million times.
What's life without fight? What's life without fight? Not the day, Baba. Keep myself out of trouble. You can fight me now. You love me later. Try to steal my crown. Jam make me greater. My message for now. Bad mind, see you later. Hypocrite, see you later. See you later. I'm the simple trash that blind eye. Search and search and can't find eye. It should not be like this, so sister blind eye. When jobless every man be shine eye. Bunny down to the gun man and no petty soldier. Life is a movie, watch a episode, yeah. Tell Roxanne and Janelle fi hurry over. Full up the private jet, we're going to Minnesota. You can fight me now. You love me later. Try to steal my crown. Judge make me greater. My message for now. Bad mind, see you later. Hypocrite, see you later. See you later. Fight don't make me stronger. It's the fight that make me stronger. Watch you them a dance. Watch ya, see now me catch them off guard. Fight them a fight, them no see the bad dog. You can fight me now. You love me later. Try to steal my crown. Jam make me greater. My message for now. Bad mind, see you later. Hypocrite, see you later. See you later. Later. Whoa, whoa. Alright. Oh, the country I run. That's why life's so hard. Me I tell you, say a one world, a one yard. Oh my Lord, you can fight me now. You love me later. Try to steal my crown. Jam make me greater. My message for now. Bad mind, see you later. Hypocrite, see you later. See you later.